Previously on episode 2.
My darling, from this moment on, you are my wife.
You have to pay for that, Mark and Mariah.
I'm so happy we are together at last.
I miss you, Mark.
If you can't help it, just shut up and accept it.
Hey Mariah, what happened?
What should I do, Linda?
Wait. I'll drive to you. And then tell me what happened. I'm coming to you, bestie. Calm down. Tell me what's going on.
Mark was out the whole night. He even got mad at me and said I am useless.
Maybe it's because Mark is under pressure.
But 15 years and he have never been like this.
Men are all the same. When they get what they want, they won't appreciate it anymore. Anyway, Mariah, it's time for me to go to work. I'll call you back later, okay?
I'm sorry, Mariah. Earlier, I was a bit tired, so I was rude. Please, forgive me, all right?
All right.
Wow. Are you making steak for dinner?
Yes. Please go take a shower. It'll be done soon.
Okay, baby, I'm so excited.
Honey, you got a call from your boss.
Leave it, I will call him back later. I still couldn't believe Hank was fired over a night. He was so good at his job.
Poor guy was caught up cheating with some hot chick. His wife gone all mad, and the whole building saw their hot pictures. What do you expect?
Normally, it's just a demotion, isn't it?
Seems like our boss doesn't like cheating men, it is.
If he can't be loyal to his wife, he can't be loyal to his company. That is why I always have high expectation on you, Mark. Your 15-year relationship says it all.
Why don't you answer the phone? I will see how long you are going to ignore me. I'm here to see Mark.
Go outside, we need to talk. Why are you here, Linda? Are you out of your mind?
I came to see you. I can't reach you these days. I miss you so much, babe.
Stop it, Linda. This is the workplace. Go home. I will make up for you tonight.
All right. Remember to come early. I can't wait long, you know.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something's not fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something's not fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole lot falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something that's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something that's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something that's fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Hi, honey.
Fake to me now.
Are you coming home early today?
I'm afraid not. We are launching a new project tonight. Everyone has to stay overtime. Sorry, my dear.
Oh. What time will you come back then? I'll wait you for dinner.
Don't be. I'll have some fast food instead.
Sure,